How to convert Excel files to PST format? Regain Excel Converter is the best tool to convert your Excel files. To download this software, go to Google and search for Regain Excel to PST Converter. Open the first web page and simply download the trial version of the software for free. After the download is finished, double-click on the exe file and complete the installation process by following the on-screen prompts. After installation, right-click on the software icon and run it as administrator. Once the software dashboard opens, click on the Browse button to add your Excel files. As Excel files, you can add .csv, .xls, .xlsx and other related formats. After selecting your desired Excel file, click on the Add File button. Now, preview the data of your Excel file and click on the Export button. In this software, there are two migration options: Contacts and Calendar. Select any options as per your needs. For now, I am selecting Contacts. OK, to map your data, select the Click here to map contact field option. Here first option is Excel header field, and second one is Outlook contact fields. From this drop-down, select the relevant value that matches your Excel column. Then click OK. In this way, map all the Excel columns and click Next. Select the Save to PST option. Again, click Browse and specify a destination on your local device. Afterwards, click on Next and that's it. As a result, the Excel file will be instantly converted into PST and saved on your local device. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.